Hello, I've always been a behind the notebook scribbler, but boredom has converted me into getting a dedicated notebook with scribbling. Yes, still a scribbler. But I decided that it's kind of fun and I would like a solution to having to listen to boring people blabber. And so this video documents my experience. So here's my first attempt, and it's something I did while watching MasterChef. There's a little trick that I do when I'm trying to learn something new. I choose a theme I like: writing, reading, eating, and now drawing food. And I get to watch MasterChef while I'm doing it, so that's a win. I like this page better. Cauliflower soup, anyone?
I will rush past this.
Up cut to a moss-covered jackfruit tree for a little respite from that. And that's the end of MasterChef. So that was not good, but not a complete waste of time. And so we plodded on through rain, hail, and whatever this is. It was quite a journey, took changing directions and outfits, to finally culminate in me watching Julie and Julian. The way I'm doodling is I hear a dialogue and scribble it down and add an illustration to it. So this movie worked wonderfully with that. Watched the whole movie, bon appetit indeed. Tried doodling in class, did not work out, I cannot draw faces. Enjoy this montage of me walking down the street at night. As I reflect upon this, it is a diary after all. One day, I will cringe upon this. Why would I, of sound mind and body, would want to put up my till now private doodles on the bloody internet? But you know, the road less traveled with bends and curves and honking and overs finally leads to a light at the end of the tunnel. But hey, look at that book and close it with the promise of looking at it again.